Number 7 says if you double a number and then add 28, so I'm going to say x is that number, so we're going to say 2 times x plus 28. If you double a number, add 28, you get 4/9 of the original number. What is the original number? If you double a number, 2 times x, and then add 28, you get 4/9 of the original number. So you get equals 4 divided by 9 times x, the original number. What is the original number? Alright, so the best way to do this, since anytime you have a fraction you want to get rid of it, that's the problem, we're going to multiply both sides by 9 to get rid of that 9. So I'm going to multiply times 9 over here, and also I'm going to multiply times 9 over here. So here I'm going to have to distribute the 9. Here the 9 is going to cancel out. I picked 9 because 9's on the bottom. Alright, so 9 times 2x gives me 18x. 9 times 28. 9 times 8 is 72. Carry your 7. 9 times 2 is 18 plus 7 is 25. So 252. And then equals, this will divide out, so that gives us 4x. Now we want to combine like terms. So I mean, you can move this over here and move that number, because if you want your variables to say positive, but in this case we'll give ourselves less work if we just go ahead and move it over here and deal with the negative. So I'm going to subtract 18x from both sides. This goes to 0, bring down the 252 equals negative 14x. Alright, now we're going to divide by negative 14 to get x by itself. Divide by negative 14. Alright, so instead of cracking this by hand, we'll pull up this calculator again and figure out what do we get when we do 252 divided by 14, a negative. So we get negative 18. So negative 18 equals x. So we get a negative 18. The answer, negative 18. Okay, number 8. If 5 is added, okay, so we're going to be adding 5. Let's go ahead and start writing this equation now. 5, number 8. 5 is added to 7 times a number. Okay, so 7 times a number. We're going to add 5. The result is equal to, so the result is equal to 6 more, so we're going to be adding 6 more than 6 times the number, so 6x. Find the number. So just verify again. If 5 is added to 7 times the number, 5 is added to 7 times the number, the result is equal to 6 more than 6 times the number. Okay, so when they say the number, they're referring to the same one. Alright, so from here we'll solve. We're going to combine the x's by subtracting 6x from both sides. I'm moving the smaller one so I can stay positive. Moving the smaller x value to stay positive. This goes to 0. This brings down just 1x plus 5 equals 6. Now to get x by itself, we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. Goes to 0, bring down x equals 1. So it looks like x equals 1. And then you can always go back, plug it in to verify. 7 plus 5 is 12. If you plug a 1 in here, 6 plus 6 is 12. So that looks good. So x equals 1.